Welcome to Exam Bytes. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Rudra Mi missile, a successful flight test was recently conducted by the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Air Force. About Rudra Mi missile, it is an indigenously developed, solid-propelled, air-launched missile system. Its purpose is an air-to-surface role, designed to neutralize various enemy assets. It was developed by Research Center Imarat, Hyderabad, as the Nodal Defense Research and Development Organization Laboratory, in collaboration with other sister laboratories. Key features of Rudra Mi missile. Speed. It can achieve a peak speed of Mach 5.5. Range. It is capable of striking targets at a distance of approximately 300 kilometers. Payload. It can carry a warhead weighing up to 200 kilograms. Deployment. It can be deployed from aircraft such as Sukhois, flying at altitudes ranging from 3 to 15 kilometers. Role. It acts as a key force multiplier and is intended to eventually replace the older Russian-origin Kh-31 anti-radiation missiles. Navigation. It utilizes a hybrid navigation system, combining an inertial navigation system, global positioning system, and a sophisticated passive homing head that detects radio frequency emissions across a wide frequency band. What is an anti-radiation missile? These missiles are designed to detect, track, and neutralize an adversary's radar, communication assets, and other radio frequency sources, which are typically part of their air defense systems. Such a missile's navigation mechanism includes inertial navigation system, a computerized mechanism that uses changes in the object's own position, coupled with global positioning system, which is satellite-based. Passive homing head, a system that can detect, classify, and engage targets, specifically radio frequency sources in this context, over a wide band of frequencies as programmed.